Hi, I'm Dr. Dattaram, a senior surgeon and surgical gastroenterologist, a GI HPB and GI oncosurgeon at Sunshine Hospital, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Today I am going to talk about a very common cancer, that is stomach cancer. Stomach cancer is world's fourth leading, the most common cancer. The incidence in India is much lower compared to the Western world. As currently Asia has the highest incidence of stomach cancer, especially Japan and China. In India, approximately 40,000 cases of stomach or newly diagnosed stomach cancers are being recorded. The risk factors for stomach cancer are smoking, overweight, diet high in smoked foods and salted fish, obesity, and H. pylori infection. H. pylori infection has been considered to be a carcinogen, and people with chronic atrophic gastritis due to H. pylori infection are going to have a higher risk of developing cancer. Last but not the least is familial history of stomach cancer. If any first degree relative or a second degree relative has stomach cancer, the risk in the siblings is going to increase. What are the symptoms of stomach cancer? In early stages, patients don't have any symptoms, or the very minimal or trivial symptoms will be there. Usually, when the growth is advanced, they develop symptoms. The common symptoms are unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, vomiting, feeling of fullness after taking a small quantity of food, or difficulty in swallowing food. These are few common symptoms of stomach cancer, and in some cases patients have anemia, that is low hemoglobin due to chronic blood loss from the growth, or other important thing is easy fatigability. They get tired very easily. These are few symptoms of stomach cancer. So whom to approach when you have any of these above symptoms? First and foremost, you should consult a gastroenterologist or a surgeon nearby. The most important test to be done is an upper GI endoscopy. We also call it as gastroesophagoduodenoscopy. So on endoscopy, we will be able to visualize the growth and take a small bits of tissue called biopsy and send it for histopathological examination and confirm if it is cancer or not. Once the cancer is confirmed, we do certain tests to stage the disease. Staging is essentially to see the extent of growth or extent of spread of cancer. We generally do a contrast enhanced CT scan of the abdomen and chest, and in very selected cases a PET scan to stage the disease. Coming to the treatment of stomach cancer, usually it's a multidisciplinary approach wherein a team of doctors, generally a GI oncosurgeon or a surgical gastroenterologist, a medical oncologist and a radiation oncologist see the patient and decide the treatment plan. Surgery is the mainstay of treatment. We generally remove a part or whole of the stomach along with the surrounding lymph nodes. That is called as a radical, subtotal or total gastrectomy. After surgery, once we get the histopathological report, the final report and stage, then we subject the patient to chemotherapy or radiotherapy in selected cases. Nowadays, patients who have advanced growth receive a protocol of chemotherapy and radiation before surgery, that is called as neoadjuvant chemoradiotherapy. I am available here on all weekdays from morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you so much.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.